Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on cyclone separator. After watching this video, the learners will be able to understand the principle, construction, working and uses of cyclone separator. Now let us see the principle of cyclone separator. In cyclone separator, the centrifugal force is used to separate solids from fluids. The separation depends not only on the particle size but also on density of particles. Depending on the fluid velocity, the cyclone separator can be used to separate all types of particles or to remove only coarse particles and allow fine particles to be carried through with the fluid. Now let us see the construction of cyclone separator. It consists of a cylindrical vessel with a conical base. In the upper part of the vessel, the tangential inlet and fluid outlet is fitted, whereas at the base it is fitted with solid outlet. Now let us see the diagram of cyclone separator. As we have seen in construction, it consists of a cylindrical vessel with a conical base. In the upper part, a tangential inlet and fluid outlet is fitted, whereas at the base, solid outlet is present. The arrows indicate the direction in which the process in cyclone separator is carried out. Now let us see the working of cyclone separator. The suspension of a solid in gas is introduced tangentially at a very high velocity so that rotary movement takes place within the vessel. The fluid is removed from a central outlet at the top. The rotary flow within cyclone separator causes the particles to be acted on by centrifugal force. The solids are thrown out to the walls. Thereafter, it falls to the conical base and discharged out through solids outlet. Now let us see the uses of cyclone separator. The cyclone separator is used to separate the suspension of a solid in a gas. The second use of cyclone separator is it can be used with liquid suspensions of solids. Thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning. If you like this video, press like button, and for more videos subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.